What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be going over my budget filmmaking kit that I've been using for the past couple years. Actually, it was my main camera that I've been shooting all my photo and video with. So right here we have the Lumix G7 with my Rokinon. It's a 35mm Rokinon Cine T1.5 lens. So it has that really good bokeh, even though it's micro four thirds. I have this wide angle lens that Rokinon 24mm. Well, it's 24 with a 2x crop, so it's actually a 12mm f2. So they're both manual focus lenses. The autofocus on this is terrible anyway, so I sold my kit lens and bought this. And then here's the mic I've been using, which is the Rode Video Mic Go, I think it's called. One of Rode's video mic series. It's just a shotgun mic that sits on top of your camera. Not too much to it. And then here's the Joby Gorilla Pod, which actually comes in very handy. You can do so many different things with this. Just like, look, you set it up, sit your camera on there. I don't have the quick release play, but you just sit your camera on there, and you can film anything, hook it up to trees, anything like that. It just makes the camera a lot stabler. You can vlog with it. You like bend these back, put your camera on top, and just like have it shooting you. There's a lot of uses to it. But if you guys want to look at this kit, I have it up here. I'll put in the description the link to my kit. It's kit.co/MRIO, and then it's under my budget filmmaking and photography kit. So I'm going to pop up some footage that I took on my trip to New York, so you can see like what kind of footage you can get and achieve with this camera, because the camera body now runs for about 400 something, I think. I think that's even with the kit lens. And then this lens was about 550 when I bought it. This lens is about 200. The Gorilla Pod's like 100, and the mic's like 60 to 100, I think. I don't know. So it's all, I mean, I didn't do the math, but it's a little over $1,000. It's like right around the $1,000 range. You can probably get some stuff cheaper. So I'd say you can get this all for at least about $1,000 or under, maybe. But for this camera body being that cheap, I think you can actually achieve a lot with it. So here are the videos. Check them out. As you saw those clips from New York, right before I went on that trip, my camera actually broke. So if I turn it on, if I turn this on and open the screen doesn't work at all. You can only see through the viewfinder, and I have to take the battery out, put it back in, turn it on in movie mode, press the shutter button, it waits 6 seconds to record, then stops, and then you're good to go. Only through the viewfinder though. Don't ask me how I figured that out. It took a lot of testing, but I finally got it to work for my New York trip because I couldn't afford a new camera at the time. So it barely works, but I mean, I was able to achieve that on a $400 broken camera. So I mean, you guys would probably be able to achieve a lot more crazy things if you wanted to. So hope you liked it. Check this out in the description, the link's in the description. Make sure to subscribe, like, and check out some more videos in the future. I'll be releasing more soon. See ya.